Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Namal bo Khun uit palat ika Thuk jong u habayap ru ukpa ulatap lang ika Thuk hasinda ka Metiap jong u Khun. Kenikla jaha anan district jong Jelat Gujarat hakbo kena samla ubadang kat prastam karata ublatip kerteng kumu krish parman ula klat no namar ka jinja accident bat hakapor batep yakamet ukpa jong u usanje Sulaiman Parmar ulatap lang ika Thuk ka jan phong bat ka juti jong u Khun hasinda ka Metiap jong u baduong badak balik kumni kemensim jong u Khun kan shangja than ukpa ulong ba Thuk kade ka bu Khun jong u uit ye ulaya thu bakidan ka kali hayeng hendri umjutre le jinglet ta kali bat ulet bet da Thuk la jong bat ukwa ba Thuk kade bandan bet hasinda jong u wat hadu keski ke jingyap ru ukre chude ubadang shupendap ik class 12 bat utmu bat betangi ke jing puli ha bachelor of computer application ni ke BCA ulet ban pendap form ha ke college ha anan hendri ha por bu wan pai ula accident penban Kadao jong jing accident kedi namar bo ula penher stat palat ka Thuk jong u bat klatan ra nadin jong traktor bat ula men saujur hendri hadin kat arsngi bo tia hospital ula klat no hakasing set jan
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.